Alright, so I assume this is actually what you're wanting to see. So right here, it was the case silencer. That's that little spring that I put in. Alright, or your anti-clunk spring. That's what it's also called. Alright, so there we are. Alright, so this is a little bit too far over. So I'm going to come in here and move it over using my snap ring pliers. Alright, there we are. Alright, so that's how far over you want to be. And y'all probably can't even see that. So I will turn this off and unscrew this and put it in there. Alright, so that's how far over you want to be with your anti-clunk spring and your snap ring for the center support right there. Alright, I hope that answers your question or satisfies your curiosity on what I was actually doing down here. Like I said, use snap ring pliers to press against the case here and the snap ring from here to here, and that'll move it over, or you can do it the other direction if you have it too far over this way. Alright, I'll see y'all on the next one.